Ay, bilangin mo ang bibig ko. Pag nabilang mo ay saya ko. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam, sampu.
Dami biig dahil may fertility enhancers ang Mama Pro developer. Lakas gatas dahil sa milk enhancers ng Mama Pro Milk Maker.
Dami biig, lakas gatas sa Mama Pro.
Si Nena ay baby pa. Ang sabi niya,
Bago yung
video. I-post ko yun sa TikTok.
Can skibidi dip, skibidi dip.
Skibidi dap tap tap. Yes,
Party,
yes,
party,
let's go,
party, party, party.
Shh, quiet down.
Party, party. That's party, no?
Si Nena. Good night. Open up. Si Nena.
Good night.
ay baby. "47 hours later. Open up. Good night. Open up. Good night.
Party time.
Ooh, I'm in the blood. I'm dead.
Skibidi, skibidi, skibidi.
I'm dead.
Time span accelerator, you say? Now that sounds interesting.
Yes, very interesting.
What? What did he say?
He said it was interesting.
What's interesting?
The new invention.
What invention?
The invention they're talking about.
I can't hear any of this. What does it do?
It speeds things up.
What kind of things?
Ugh, will it help me speed up this ridiculous conversation?
This sounds like something you'd be interested in having. Would you like us to take it?
How interested does he sound?
No. This job will require a bit more style. I'll handle it myself. Return to the lab. Immediately!
Righto, boss.
magic ng Pasko, ang wish mo'y magkakatotoo. Dahil ang magic ng Pasko, alam na ang hiling ng puso mo. Libreng mangarap, maniwala, lahat ay posible. Kaya ang magic na sagot sa iyong hiling, ngayong Pasko'y yakapin natin. Maniwala sa magic
Super Typhoon Yolanda bilang isa sa pinakamalakas na bagyong naglandfall sa kasaysayan.
Wala na kami makitang bahay. Nadala po talaga lahat. Parang hindi kompleto yung Pasko noon.
Kahit simple lang ang regalo, basta't mula sa puso. This Christmas, show
Tapos dumating ang GMA at magkakaroon na ng bagong tahanan.
makita ang ngiti mo. Share your heart, share the joy, share the love this Christmas time. Share your heart, share the joy, share the love.
Kapasalamat kami sa GMA.
Dahil po kung hindi sa GMA, hindi po kami magkakaroon ng sariling bahay.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Maligayang Pasko ng mga kapuso.
I'm gonna play with no hands. Elia, wanna help? Elia, your turn. Yay, let's go. Boom. Elia, help. Somebody help. No, you're gonna go zero down life. You take it.
Oh, hi! Welcome to Tattoo Challenges, and on these, I want you to squat it. These are new American challenges for your mama and safety city. Come with your tablets, come with the dark weather to the ghost and still you to make a major. Security drone. Smoke go.
Yeah, let's go. Elia, your turn. Yay, let's go. Boom. Elia, help. Somebody help. No, you're gonna go zero down life. You take it.
Pull up finger got it.
Kasunod na ako pa mapanapigahan
Patang man. Ito yung opinion. See you soon.
We'll see you next time.